Today I am reviewing the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a powerful, stylish gaming desktop that can handle the latest AAA titles with ease, the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop is definitely worth a close look. This desktop packs some serious firepower, featuring the Intel Ultra 9-285 processor, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T graphics card. Together, they create a gaming machine that delivers smooth, high frame rate gameplay, crisp visuals, and immersive experiences whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Starting with the heart of the system, the Intel Ultra 9-285 CPU is a high-end powerhouse designed for extreme performance. It excels at running complex games, content creation software, and multitasking without breaking sweat. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, exploring expansive open worlds, or editing videos, this processor ensures your system stays responsive and fluid. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T GPU is the perfect complement to the CPU. This graphics card supports advanced technologies like ray tracing and DLSS, which means your games will look stunning with realistic lighting, shadows, and textures. Plus, it's VR ready, so if you want to dive into virtual reality gaming, the MSI Aegis R2 has you covered. MSI understands that powerful components need effective cooling to maintain performance, and that's where the Aegis R2 shines. It features an RGB CPU air cooler along with 4 system cooling fans, 3 intake fans at the front and 1 exhaust fan at the rear. This smart airflow design pulls in cool air efficiently while pushing hot air out, keeping temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions. This means you can push your system hard without worrying about overheating or throttling. The build quality is both functional and visually striking. The desktop sports a sleek, simplistic design that fits well into any gaming setup. But the real eye-catcher is the built-in RGB lighting. With the press of a button, you can cycle through various lighting modes, creating an immersive ambience tailored to your mood. And if you want to take customization further, MSI Center software lets you fine-tune lighting effects and monitor system performance in real time. Storage and memory on the Aegis R2 are more than sufficient for modern gaming and productivity. It includes 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is fast and efficient, enabling quick loading times and smooth multitasking. The 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD offers ample space for your game library, media, and projects, while also delivering ultra-fast read and write speeds. This means shorter boot times and less waiting around for game levels to load. On the software side, the Aegis R2 runs Windows 11 Home, bringing you the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business users, but for gamers and everyday users, Windows 11 Home is a solid choice that offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. In terms of connectivity, the desktop includes USB Type-C ports for fast data transfer and compatibility with modern peripherals. This ensures your setup can handle everything from high-speed external drives to the latest gaming accessories. To sum it up, the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop combines cutting-edge hardware with smart cooling, stunning RGB lighting, and ample storage and memory. It's built for gamers who want a reliable, powerful system that looks as good as it performs. Whether you're diving into the latest games, streaming your gameplay, or handling creative workflows, this desktop offers the performance and features to keep you ahead of the competition. If you're ready to upgrade to a desktop that blends style, power, and smart features, the MSI Aegis R2 should definitely be on your radar. With its advanced Intel CPU, top-tier NVIDIA GPU, efficient cooling, and customizable lighting, this gaming desktop delivers an impressive experience that will satisfy both casual and hardcore gamers alike.